Hey everyone, welcome to Adventures in Everyday Cooking, where every day should be an adventure in your kitchen. And today's adventure takes us to the world of leftovers. I don't know how often I make way too much rice for a meal and then I have bags of rice left over. Well, the good news is you can make new meals out of your leftovers, and that's what we're going to do today. Today we are going to make pork fried rice out of leftovers and just a few pantry staples that I happen to have in my pantry. So without further ado, we're going to get started. But we're actually going to move over it that way, so I'm going to have to reset up and I'll meet you back over there. All right, first thing we want to do is we want to put 2 tablespoons of canola or some other type of high heat oil into your skillet. Turn it on to medium-high. Once the oil is shimmering, we are going to add our garlic and our carrots. And we'll give that a little mix. And now we are going to add 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. We're going to soften these, and it should take anywhere from 2 to 5 minutes, depending on how high your heat is. And as you can tell, I just used carrot chips that I had in my refrigerator for salad for last week. So I didn't have to peel or really cut up my carrots at all. This recipe was designed to use all of your leftover vegetables. So you just really got to use whatever's on hand that you think would taste good with your Chinese-inspired Asian fried rice. All right, if you're using frozen ginger like I am, I'm actually going to go ahead and put in my ginger now. And I'm just going to put 1 block. That way it can melt a bit. Otherwise, wait just for a little bit before you put it in. But this will give it a chance to melt. Alright, those carrots look like they're getting soft and my ginger is starting to melt. So we're going to go ahead and add 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. I'm going to go ahead and do 1/4 to start with. Maybe I'll serve it with more pepper flakes because I like hot, but sometimes too much hot is a bad thing. Alright, and this is where you would put your ground ginger in if you were using ground. And if you had any other frozen veggies, you would also put them in right now. But I'm only going to use green beans, and they're already cooked, so they'll go in at the same time the pork does. Next, we are going to add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. And we are soy-free here, so I'm using the no soy, soy-free soy sauce. Gluten-free and soy-free. So here I'll put in 2 tablespoons. Alright, now we're going to put in our rice. We are going to need 4 cups of rice. Give or take. It's not an exact science. Boil this up. We're already almost done because everything's basically cooked. The only thing that I really had to cook was that carrot. We are now going to add in our green beans and the pork. Try to keep back any of those carrots that are raw. All right, we're going give that a stir and continue to try to break up those rice bits. All right, and we're gonna add 2 more tablespoons and then some of soy sauce. And give that a good stir. Now we're just gonna want to leave this on the heat until everything is nice and warm. And then we're gonna add our beaten eggs. We just want all of the flavors to kind of go in, and we want the rice to soften up because it's still pretty hard. Smells really good though. Right, once you see all the rice kind of the same color, we are going to add our eggs. So make yourself a little place to cook the eggs right there in the center. And then we're going to drop in some more oil. That's good. And then we're going to go ahead and drop our eggs right in. All right, and we're already almost done. So we're going to scramble this right here in the middle. And if you feel like you need another egg, because it doesn't look like enough, that's what I'm feeling, I'm going to drop another one in there. There we go. So make sure you got 3 eggs. I'll put that in the recipe. This is originally someone else's recipe, but in true Heather form, I mix it up as I go. All right, let's leave it still for a second. All right, looking good. Okay, so now we're gonna start putting the scrambled eggs throughout the whole dish. All right, at this point, grab a spoon and give it a taste. I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit or a lot more soy sauce. 2+ tablespoons. Give that a good mix. And then this bad boy is about done. All right, and now I'm going to sprinkle it with green onions. And voila! All right, let's switch to the other camera again. All right, look at that beautiful pork fried leftover rice. All right, let's dish it up. Wow, that looks great. We'll see. Okay, time for the taste test. It's a little hot. That's pretty good. really good. This is really good. This is a keeper of a recipe. It used leftover rice, leftover pork, and leftover veggies. What's there not to love? And the flavors are so, so good. I hope you enjoyed this adventure in everyday cooking. I'm gonna go and I'm going to eat my rice and enjoy the rest of my evening. I'm actually in the middle of another video, if you saw over there. So I gotta go finish dinner and then finish that one up. So if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share. And let me know in the comments below if you'd like to see something specific. All right, we'll see you later.